I teach Spanish, and there's nothing more caliente than a shirtless Patrick Swayze.
Well, I teach chemistry, and what Swayze and Kelly Lynch have can't be found in any textbook.
So you've all just been showing movies in class?
That's right, Blondie. The seniors take their foot off the gas, and so do we.
So you know about senior skip day?
You mean teacher ditch day?
I'm hitting Joanne Fabrics. They have wine glasses there that say, I'm on cloud one.
I, of course, will be at the golf range foraging for lost balls. I can get up to 5 cents for some of those babies.
The hell you are! My child's mind will not sit idle while you two waste your pathetic lives on wine and balls.
As our mom wouldn't let anyone take it easy, our dad was reeling after another hard day with Carmichael Mike.
Hey, Murph! Dolores sent me to borrow your blender. She's making melon soup. Because who don't want cold fruit stew? Yeah. Whoa, what's wrong with your dad?
I know. Look at him. I've never seen him not sit in his chair before.
And he didn't take his pants off.
I don't like this one bit. Hey, Merman, want to pop on the game? The kids can watch what they want.
Did aliens snatch his body? I mean, there's so many other bodies to choose from. It makes no sense.
Hey, buddy. Little worried about you. For old time's sake, why don't you kick back in the old chair and pop off those pants? I can't talk with your pants on, Murph. Open up to me. Let's get those things around your neck. Get your hands off me! I hate Formica Mike. He's supposed to be a 50-50 partner, and he never listens to anything I say.
I could tell by your sad, hollow gaze that this was about a relationship.
I'm not in a relationship with Formica Mike, moron.
It's a business relationship. And just like any new relationship, there's always a lot of kinks to work out.
Jeff's right. It took us a long time to establish our dynamic of me being me and Jeff being the bucket I dump all my emotions into.
And what works great for us might not work for you. The key is communication.
Kid's right. I tell Dolores everything, except that I hate her melon soup, and Deborah Winger wasn't my high school girlfriend, though I think she knows.
Guys, don't bother. For all his angry bluster, he's terrible at confrontation. It's hopeless.
Or hope stuff.
Barry, no. Don't just appear sucking on something and give your terrible advice.
Is that a foot popsicle, son?
Also has a gumball inside of it. Point is, there's only one way to destroy a Formica kingdom. You gotta kill the Formica king. Don't listen to Barry. Tell the king how you're feeling. Conquer him with emotional intimacy.
Say something, Bert. I can't stand that your pants are still on. Let me just pop off. Leave my pants alone! I'm gonna go and do what Erica's post says.
He's doing my thing, although he's yet to learn my name, so it's kind of a mixed bag for the win.
And so our dad tried his best to open up to his business partner.
Hey, Mike, I have some feelings that...
Yeah.
What are you, like kids after my first heart attack? Oh, I'd appreciate it. Here's something you'll appreciate. I got another set of these babies.
The only thing my dad was ready to kiss was the Formica King goodbye.
You're gonna help me, kill the king.
Yes!
As my dad and Barry dealt with a problematic partner, I wasn't the only one who had a problem with my mom.
Well, boss, you wanted to see me?
In fact, I did. Dale, press play, show the boy.
No way out! Just way in! Gene Siskel called it an epic thriller with a plot twist for the ages.
And you're in for a bit of a plot twist of your own.
Greetings, class. Kevin Costner turns out to be a Russian spy. The end. Now, Mr. Woodburn, start teaching your students.
Here, your mother has crossed many lines, but making us do our jobs is a bridge too far.
Guys, fire her.
You can't just fire Beverly Goldberg. Yeah, it takes a lot to fire a teacher. Trust me. She's a blonde whack-a-mole. She'll just pop right back up somewhere else.
Just find her a job outside the classroom with no real authority.
There's nothing. Unless what? I'm desperate here, man. I got the ambulatory process coming up on the syllabus. I don't know what the that is. I could make her Quaker Warden.
Quaker what?
It's an archaic position in charge of enforcing Quaker values. It hasn't been filled in this school for 87 years. Here was the last one. The late, great Eunice D. Eunice.
Is that a scar on her face?
It's a smile.
But Quaker Warden? Sounds pretty lofty. Are you sure you want to give my mom any power?
Here's the genius of it all. It could take forever to get your certification. She'll be gummed up in Quaker red tape. For so long, all of us will be long dead before she gets it. Dead! The final victory!
I don't know. I think she'll see right through this one.
Woohoo! I'm the Quaker Warden! Not quite yet. First, you have to be ordained by the Fellowship of Friends in Woonsocket, Rhode Island.
Oh, that's a bit of a hike.
And then there's the reading of parchments from the 3 volumes of the Books of Discipline.
And I would find those...
Library of Congress by appointment only.
Wow, that's a difficult set of hoops to jump through, so I'd better get started. Look out, everybody! Quaker Warden-elect coming through!
Game, set, ball!
At least that's what we thought. But Beverly Goldberg always finds a way to get things done.
Good morning, William Penn.
been one day. The Quaker Fellowship of Friends was happy to certify me to get me out of their flat, dull hair.
So what happens now?
First order of business, no gum, chewing wax, or taffy.
I think I might have screwed up.
You think?